Ah, the Olive Garden breadstick. A seemingly simple pleasure, right? A staple of many a meal, a comforting companion to soups and salads, and a beloved treat for countless diners. But look closer. Those twists, those turns. Are they just random acts of baking, or could there be more to these golden brown delights than meets the eye? Each curve and contour might hold a story, a secret, or even a hidden message. Some folks see letters in the steam, others shapes that resemble far-off lands. It's as if the breadsticks are whispering tales of distant places and forgotten lore. Could these be messages from the bakers, little doughy secrets baked in for our amusement, or are we just a tad bit breadstick obsessed, seeing patterns where none exist? Perhaps it's a blend of both. A playful interaction between baker and diner. Let's dig in, shall we? We'll explore the origins of these carb companions, unravel the science of their creation, and see if we can't separate a little fact from our flour-powered fantasies, from the fields where the wheat is grown to the ovens where the magic happens. Join us on this delicious journey. Of the simple yet profound origins of our food. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of breadstick creation. It's a fascinating dance of simple ingredients and scientific processes. Yeast, that tiny but mighty fungus, is our hero here. As yeast munches on sugars in the dough, it releases carbon dioxide, creating air pockets that cause the dough to rise. This rising, combined with the baker's skillful stretching and twisting, gives each breadstick its unique personality. The oven's heat does the rest, transforming the doughy mass into a crisp, golden brown delight. And those seemingly random shapes, often they're simply the result of air bubbles escaping during baking, creating those curious twists and turns. Section 4, cracking the code, intentional or just crispy. But what about those letter-like shapes? The ones that have fueled countless breadstick-based conspiracy theories. Could they be intentional messages from the bakers hidden in plain sight? Well, it's not impossible. A skilled baker could, in theory, manipulate the dough to create specific shapes. But here's the thing, breadstick dough is a living, breathing thing. It has a mind of its own, expanding and contorting in the heat of the oven. So while those letter-like shapes might be a fun coincidence, it's more likely that they're just a product of the natural baking process, as random and unpredictable as the wind. makes it easier to manage and harvest. Or the way you train your tomatoes to grow closer to the natural world. Section 6, Breadsticks and Beyond, a delicious connection. So, the next time you're at Olive Garden and you find yourself mesmerized by the shape of your breadstick, remember this. It's more than just a tasty appetizer. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, from the garden to your plate, from nature's patterns to the baker's art. What hidden messages do you see in your food? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more explorations of gardening food and the mysteries they hold.